That one went off a bit early, didn't it?
Yeah, that one.
Everything's going off!
Set a loud one off. Set a loud one off.
Wait,
Is that it?
is that what you said? Hey, oh, where we go? Wow, that was massive! Oh my god!
Whoa, that's a good one.
Oh, they're getting so loud! Oh, wow! Wow! Woohoo! Come on! Oh, well, look at them! They're all loud. Wee! Yeah. Hell yeah. I hope Sandy Francis gonna get hurt. The sky is flashing! But don't worry, guys, it's not thunder this time. It's fireworks. Make that a thumbnail. It's not thunder, guys. It's fireworks. This is so beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
I can't wait for us to get some of our own. And that's something coming from me.
We're gonna be getting some of these. Whoa!
These are bangers, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so, but I think they do some more of these at finale. Woo! Wow! These
Oh
like-
god!
Oh wow, they were beautiful. This is a fun thing.
Ooh.
Oh, that's how they're getting in there. Oh, Jesus, God's getting angry.
Wow!
Great power. That is the finish is on. Wow, we're getting louder.
Is that it? Is it over?
Oh, wow.
Bangers again. This must be the final floor.
I was about to end the finish too.
You know what's funny?
Yeah.
We did the clapping like the surprise like the end of the video. Woo!
Come
Oh!
on.
Oh!
Oh, a banger. Sounds like a gunfire.
Are we in 5 Lives Mania?
I think so. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Oh.
Oh, that was right.
That was like a fire before. Whoa, whoa. Is that actually it now? Woo! That was amazing, wasn't it?
Was that actually